Now an opportunity to cross. Benzema. Here's Benzema. Bale. He can take the shot on here. He decides to shoot. It's led to a goal. That really puts them in charge early on.
And that's the way to start a football match. They've been brave and bold and very much on the front foot. That's deserved for me.
That is a vintage goal.
Yeah, and I don't mind admitting that this is my kind of football. Good passing and movement with the right tempo and purpose. It's really enjoyable.
They've got the opener in the early minutes.
Oh, that's such a great fill-up for them to score so early, but they must take advantage now and build on it from here.
João Pereira. Here's Isco. Benzema. Shoots, and it's taken with some style. They've certainly come straight out of their blocks in this one. A great finish in a one-on-one situation.
Well, although the keeper looked an imposing figure then, he remained totally unfazed and took the chance with great ease.
So it's now 2 without reply.
Yeah, we've seen it before that 1-0 can be a fragile scoreline, but now that they have that extra cushion, 2 should be enough.
He's on his way. He hits it. Another one. They really are turning the screw now. That is simply unsavable.
Yeah, anything that finds its way into the net via the framework of the goal is most difficult for a keeper to reach. He was never going to get it.
So it's 3-0 now. And he crosses to the centre, and it's hoofed away. 15 minutes gone in the first half. Could be a chance now. Now he's ready for a shot. Nowhere near the ball. Foul given. Looks like he'll go direct.
From the first free kick in any game, you want to set the right tone for what follows, and I just wonder if they've got something up their sleeve here.
Chance again! A corner kick given. Here's Faguli. Elder Postiga. Banega. Sima. A chance. He makes his way towards the penalty area. How about it? How about that? They're well clear now. It's just a question of how many more.
Well, I put that down to great anticipation. He was on the move before any defender reacted. Wonderful.
Surely they're well and truly out of sight now. Sloppy pass, intercepted. Here's Faguli. Plays it back to the keeper. Midway through this first half, and play has settled into a nice pattern. Chance! Picked off there. It's opened up nicely for him. Through the middle he goes. Benzema, another goal. Riveting, ruthless, relentless.
Well, that run was all about great incision and great drive. And they say that dribbling is a dying art. Well, not in that evidence.
A fine goal, a real delight to watch. A brace of goals for him now. Through and still going. Possibility here for a cross. Ooh, dangerous pass. Now Varane. No, it's been cut out. Can he now find a finish? Almost made it 6 for the day.
Well, that's the kind of break that can do a lot of damage. It just lacked the finish to be a great counter-attacking strike. It was so direct.
Intercepted. Isco, a goal scorer now in the last 3 games. Now the chance! Good save.
I think when you're in front of goal like that, you really should do better. That's a poor finish in the end.
Michel. Here's Modric. Wants to get this forward. Now Varane. Picked off the ball. Wins the ball. He can take the shot on here. That was a really powerful shot and an admirable save from the keeper.
Well, he was right in front of goal and he probably should have scored, to be fair.
Pepe. No, that's over the bar. Benzema. Deflected. There goes the whistle, and it's half-time.
Well, they've got that decision to make now, don't they? You know, half-time, they're in a good position, but will they look for more in the second half, or will they decide to just sit back and settle for defending this lead?
It's a big margin between these sides. The second half gets underway. Safe to say they're in no hurry to relinquish the upper hand. Valencia against Real Madrid. A chance. Cleared away from danger. Michel. Here's Faguli. The assistant referee's flag was raised. Just offside, good call.
He's just drifted beyond the last defender.
Benzema! And the keeper's there to claim it.
That was such a good effort, despite the attention of his marker. I thought he did really well there.
Now Sergio Ramos. Khedira, who's imposed himself already on this fixture. There's the whistle and the flag's up. Just caught offside there.
Well, as long as they press quickly in midfield, the defence can take a chance on keeping a high line, but without pressure on the ball, it's a dangerous tactic.
Mathieu. He's got in. No, it was cut out. Plays it upfield. Oh, stopped him illegally. That's a free kick. Michel plays this forward. João Pereira. There'll be a throw-in. Ball stolen. Here's Jonas. Mathieu. Throw in. Elder Postiga. And we've reached the hour mark. Here's Isco. Could be a chance now. Off he goes. Oh, yet another goal. They really have taken them apart now.
Well, that's a finish that'll be remembered by both player and fans for a long, long time. I guess we'll be eulogising about it for a long time too. Wonderful.
A memorable solo effort that. Benzema has got his hat-trick.
Well, he's been the outstanding player on the pitch, devastating in front of the goal. What a display, what a player.
It's on for him. Mathieu. Oh, flag up. Just offside then. He's straight off the last man. The referee's assistant pretty alert. Benzema, who set up 2 goals. And he was obstructed there. Referee gives the free kick. That challenge has caused tempers to flare, and the referee needs to take some action here. He has to calm things down. This is very much within his range. Ideal distance out. The opponents just can't afford to concede any more goals. And he goes direct. And they escape imminent danger. Arbeloa. Now Isco. Well struck. Blocked out there off the defender. Benzema! What a save! Benzema! And a goal! This game has already ceased to be a contest. It just couldn't have been placed any better.
Well, we could quite easily have seen that rebound off the woodwork, but it deserved to go in off the underside of the bar. It's a great finish.
Benzema! Almost 75 minutes on the watch now. Cut out in a promising position. Fouled there, free kick given. Oh dear, some right old pushing and shoving going on there. They'll be getting their handbags out next. Here's Benzema. Got it. Now Varane. Bursting forward. Chance. Benzema. Keeper makes the stop.
Right in front of goal like that, and he's gone and missed it. I won't have to tell him that's not good enough.
Hits a ball in. Jumps for the header. Keeper claims it.
He was in such a great position in front of goal that you'd expect him to score from there, but somehow he's missed it.
Oh, he's lost it. The ball played out to the wing. It's behind for a goal kick. Oriol Romeu. The pass cut out. The ball's with Modric. Now Isco. Here's Jonas. Got it. Now the chance. He's bursting forward. There it is. They're clearly in no mood just to sit on their lead. It stemmed from losing the ball in a really dangerous position.
Yeah, at this level you should get punished for that kind of sloppiness in midfield, and that was pretty punishing.
it off. Now he's ready for a shot, and again!
Oh my!
And a goal! They've added another in a matter of minutes. That's the instinct of a goal scorer.
I know questions will be asked of that defence, but there was an element of good fortune in that.
He'll be taking the match ball home.
Oh, he's been unstoppable in this match. Every single time he's been in possession, he's looked a threat.
Bale. It's opened up nicely for him. A shot. Oh, yet another goal. They've most definitely hit their stride now. He was allowed far too much space.
Well, we've just seen intelligent football from intelligent footballers. That's honed on the training ground and lovely when it comes off on match day.
A fine display of slick passing. They're now looking for that final opportunity. This could be interesting. Now Varane. And that brings to an end 90 minutes of football. My thanks go to Jim, and it's now time for us to leave tonight's coverage. We both wish you a very good evening.